Sana babo ako Belen. Kumusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, we're in Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga daw ngayon, may invite kami keng The Shops at The Infinity to feature the restaurants na Achukeni. Actually, I think 6 lang mo rin po talaga mo. Yes. Pero ating seafood, ating burger, ating steak, ano pa?
Ating pizza na buy one, take one.
Arabian food.
So, anything nakakita ka ng The Shop at Infinity,
Wow.
nabenta mo.
Tara, bayan nyo kami po.
So, tara, let's go!
Sabi nga nung sa introduction natin, this room is actually fit for a king. Tama po ba? The king's meal is served. So, ano pa ba yung expectation mo pag king, di ba? So, it's a king's meal in front of us. So, right now, like, how many variants do we have right now po dito?
So, meron tayo dito more than 7. Pero
Okay.
yung whole menu namin is around 15 to 20 sets ng menu.
Ah, okay.
This is the basic ng menu ng Arabic.
Okay.
Ito yung kabsa, the most famous kabsa.
Which, ito po yung pinag-simulan ng pangalan.
KabSarap.
I
So,
see,
the name speaks for itself. Yung kabsa in Kapampangan, kapsi.
How do you eat it? Pwede nyo po bang
Dig in ka, so you have to use your hands. So, mas masarap pagka kinamay mo na yan.
So, like, for example, it's a group meal. Paano po siya
Pwede po
nag-ano?
natin siya ilagay
Hindi na
sa
natin.
lalata.
Ilalagay po sa dito
Plastic.
mismo.
Oh,
Yeah.
baliktarin mo yung pagkain.
Aha,
Ito.
aha.
Ilalagay.
Hindi, ilatag mo na yung
Like a-
pagkain.
like
Parang
a
budol
budol
fight.
Please show us po.
Okay. Glove.
Diretso na to.
This is
na
the
yan.
real. Yes.
Sa Saudi po ba nag-gloves?
Yeah.
No.
Hindi
No,
na?
right?
No.
Diretso na.
Just
Oh.
direct,
Correct,
direct.
correct.
Kamayin mo.
Kamay.
Yan.
Wow, okay. So I'll go first. Price-wise, ma'am, this is how much?
This is 999.
Okay.
One meal, good for 8 people.
It's we call barkada.
Barkada
And then
meal.
if you want to have, it's family. It's
Ah.
499.
Ah,
And the
ah.
half of the chicken.
There you go. And then sinabi niyo po sa akin kanina, isa sa bestseller niyo dito is shawarma.
Yeah, shawarma.
Yung chicken, it is
Okay.
beef.
First you try the chicken because most famous
Ang pinaka-famous kasi chicken talaga.
chicken talaga.
Oh man.
Yan yung authentic.
Not a Filipino taste at all.
No,
Super.
super.
Chicken and seafood, sweet, ang distinguished na flavor ng Arabic.
The famous
And
hummus.
then you
Yeah.
dip
Tapos ito yung bread mo,
Okay.
which is ang tawag nila rito hindi pita bread, kubus.
kubus.
Kubus. So, ipilas ka and then ididip mo na siya.
Sige po. Please show us.
Ganyan ang pagkain ng hummus. Diretso na. Yan.
Kami din ang gumawa niya.
Dito na po.
Dito rin
Fresh
na
the
fresh.
fish.
Hindi po binibili
Hindi
sa
yan binibili.
third party.
Yeah, no, it's
Really?
from KabSarap.
Freshly baked every day. Yung famous broasted, balang Jollibee ng Middle East. Sabi ng broasted chicken.
That is the karakti.
Yan yung
Arab
Arabic
tea.
tea, famous
Yeah.
Arabic tea.
Okay. po malyaring mamamila ko yung chocolate.
So, mangyari ka ng
Yes,
chocolates.
always.
So these are also served here?
Yes.
So, guys, this is just some of the menu served here.
Next week we will introduce now the first pizza shawarma. Yeah.
So
Wow.
watch out for that.
Yeah. So siguro before we continue or we make this a feast with our friends, at ang ating family na OFW, pretty sure they will recognize the food here. So ikatamo naman family na Emiras ka rin, let's enjoy the food with them.
Yes.
Para remind tala ka rin how is it like to be in Saudi Arabia with the food. And then, yeah, let's
With the
enjoy
style
it with the
also.
style. Okay, so guys, we're gonna keep the video rolling and enjoy this feast. Daw sa lang po kay Pamela Bear. Bro, cheers! Milk tea!
Yan yung milk tea na yung Middle East.
So, next stop, if you've been following us somewhere in Pampanga, we've said it before, one of our favorite seafood restaurant na talagang bibisitahan ni is Crabs and Crack. So finally, at yun ining third branch da kaining Angeles City, chuyapin kaining The Shops at the Infinity. And as part of our food crawl for today's vlog, sinerve na kaya katamo guys is, of course, some of their best sellers. Ayan, so tintamong seafood platter. As low as 999 pesos, you're gonna enjoy a seafood platter.
Then natin lang squid, calamari mussels, salad, and tuna.
And then may itong pang must-try kayo guys, sining karelang
Crab and corn soup.
crab and corn soup. And of course, abela mo naman rin smoothies na kalaki. At ila mo naman paluto mo series.
Yes, and one of ini, tuna na.
Kareng restaurant, may itong po karing piyakamarakalamag serve.
Seafood.
Seafood per
platter.
platter.
The best thing to do is to taste this.
Is that? Pagpasalamat kami kay The Shops at The Infinity for inviting us kening food crawl ini. Aliwa mo po kaming mga kening video ini. Uling atin tamong abek from kay The Shops pinang po kay friends namo from Emerge Local. So abayan nyo kami po. It's gonna be a seafood experience. Right, so next food stop tamo guys is ining Griller's Hub. So again, this is part of our food crawl kani pong The Shops at The Infinity. They have a very unique
Serving style.
serving style ita. For the steak, if you order a steak, you can actually grill your own steak. Personally, first time. I don't know for others. So siguro makapag pan-seared steak kayong baleyo mga yan. But Kenny, you can have that option to grill your own. Sabi ta kitang orientation, you still have option to, you know, grill it off kitang kitchen da. Different kind of experience is always a good experience.
Yeah.
Kasi may pa aranasan nito eh. So, let's try this.
So, ang gawin mo, ikata mag-grill ka steak ka.
Tama grill kang steak tamo. Okay. So, let's order. So, tamo kining karelang section where you can get your one-time fill salad. So, what do we have? Coleslaw salad, goy salad, garden salad, apong New York salad. Here is my steak, guys.
Ilang salt and pepper.
Yeah, you also have your salt and pepper for your own taste. Hear that? While we are waiting for our steak, atin na pa palang aliw-aliwang si-serve kayo na dishes. So they have burgers, pasta, salad and bowls. What else? Let me see. Of course, smoothies, soda, wines and spirits. Siyempre, partner may steak yan. Medyo atin yan dito ka alcohol. Alright, so once again guys, thank you for being with us. Salamat mo naman po Ma'am Ann for opening your doors to us.
Yes, no worries.
So,
We're pleased to have you here.
wow. So again guys, this is part of our food crawl kaya nitong The Shops at The Infinity. This is one of the must-see restaurants here kaya nitong The Shops. So in front of us, ma'am, so usually update na rin kahit ano mga best
Highlights,
sellers.
yes.
Highlights. Ting advocacy or what do you promote?
Healthy food, ang pang
food.
fresh food. Ito yung guriming i-introduce ka rin ang Kapampangan. Here, magsila, pero healthy. Ito yung
Yes.
guriming i-introduce ka rin.
Wow.
Fresh and healthy.
Wow, for an average person, like, magkano dalan ko kayo ni para mag-date?
350.
350 for a single person.
Yes.
Another thing na interested ko ma'am is for the drinks. So you also promote like fresh fruits, right?
Fresh
Okay.
food ang pang Brgy. Fresh lang rin.
Is it available? Like for example, mag-take out ya for...
Yes. Orange juice, freshly squeezed lang halong sugar o
Yes,
halong
yes.
I've got apple juice, pineapple juice. This steak comes with one-time fill-up salad.
Yeah.
So, itong salad direta, pinatalagang salad at kasama pa rin.
Okay.
And the rest of the salad here in the table are signature salad.
Wow.
So, apin min kaming kale and quinoa. Balbons. Yes, sweet, pati kaming pork and chicken.
Alright.
Fatouche salad. It's Mediterranean salad.
Ali mo kay makapangan kayong different kind of food. Even their names
It's
are
sounds new na.
not ordinary for Kapampangan. Okay.
This is an example of our one
An example.
An example. But you can, as long as you can.
Yes, as long as you
fill it up
can.
as long as you can.
So earlier bin guys, pepayad ko kaya kayo rin ang available na salad that you can, you know, fill your plate. But this is an example of, I think it's a well, what do you call it, presented sa design na yan, no?
So it comes with 4 salads.
This plus a steak is 350 pesos. Wow. So we're gonna taste this with our friends. Thanks again, Ma'am Ann, for again
No worries.
opening your
No.
door. Thanks guys. We're gonna keep the video rolling, so be with us. Salamat po. So another plate is coming. Wow, Miss Ann.
This is meat food platter, yes.
Okay.
So it comes with 2 steaks,
2 steaks.
half rack, liempo, and chicken. Sausages, yes.
Like this is how much?
150. 1,800. Comes with 4 plates na kaluto na nini.
4 plates na one time kaya. Wow!
Perfect. Kahit walang sauce.
Alright, so for our next stop, kining kaya katamong food crawl, kining the shops by the Infinity, atin imining Cheesy Burger Factory Corporation. So, from their name, actually guys, it's a buy one, take one concept store. So, in burger da kini is buy one, take one. In pizza da mo naman kini is buy one, take one. So, let's talk about the prices. So, for their burgers guys, as low as 129 pesos. Oozing. Kibat, Incarella. Pizza is brick oven yung gagamitan. The Pugon. Buy one, take one lang mo naman for as low as 499 pesos.
As of now ngayon, so pag mag-buy one, take one ka, take one mo is the same flavor nitong in-order mo.
Yeah. So say for example, you ordered this pepperoni pizza, you also get a pepperoni pizza for free. So this pizza right here is 499 pesos. Classic pepperoni pizza. So bala mo 500 pesos for the two. It's like 250 pesos each. Ito, okay, but atin lang pang aliwang a la carte. Like 2-piece fried chicken with rice. 165 pesos only. 2-piece chicken.
Also, buffalo wings. Yan.
As low as 115 pesos.
Wow, pwede na.
Yeah.
Also, syempre, yung pastas. Pastas.
At ilan mo naman pasta. So this is beef ravioli. Check that out. You don't get that usually in karang-halong restaurants.
And also, nila rin carbonara.
Wow! This is a super creamy carbonara. For 145 pesos carbonara, this is the kind of serving.
All good.
So tinan mo naman ice creams Kenny. There you go it. Cheesy Burger Factory. It's a buy one, take one burger. Buy one, take one pizza. And you also get to enjoy this one. Yeah. So before we call our friends, kaya beking kaya tam food crawl ngayon. Here's a sample of their burgers. Grabe, 129 pesos, classic burger.
Adwan na natin.
Duwa na rin. So, abayan nyo kami po, Takman mila mo naman, Genny. Magpasalamat kami pa mo rin kay the shops at the Infinity for, inviting us for this super overloading food crawl. Mata mo po. So, pangmantayang karelang pizza. Ining karelang pepperoni pizza. Oh man. Pepperoni, cheese. Huh? Wow. For the price of like 250 pesos per pizza, kasi buy one take one yung 500 pesos. It's really comparable keng huge names keng kay pizza. Wala po itong bisa maglibre, hihindaran mong pizza, bisa maglibre pizza. So yun guys, this part of our food crawl sa the shops at the Infinity, and isa po to sa mga pwede niyong bisitahin, Dampa Express. Wow! So yun nga, sa table natin ngayon, ito yung big tahong, meron din tayong adobong pusit, and then isa sa mga soup na laging ino-order dito is halaan ginger soup. Ito yung butter garlic crabs, ito yung binagoongan rice, and then this is the sweet chili. Pero let me just show you guys how it look like. Yung isang crab natin. Whoa, that is really meaty and taba, no? And then meron pa tayong dito salted crab. And then this is the baked oyster. Usually sir, magkano yung baked oyster? 688. Wow, so ito yung size na yun. 680. Tingnan na natin ito na guys. This is their oyster, baked oyster. This is amazing. Amazing. Natin. Oh, wow. Nagpapasalamat kami for Dampa Express for, allowing us to be part of this food crawl dito sa the shops at Infinity. So, who knows, you might discover your favorite restaurant here. This is another option for you guys. Kumantaya po, tamantala rin karelang pamangan, and let's enjoy Dampa Express. So, ito guys, kaya bemila pa mo rin din kaya katamong kaluguran king the shops foreign kaya katamo photographer kay emerge local na. So again, thank you so much the shops at the Infinity for making this possible.
Let's discover your favorite eats at the shops by the Infinity.
Amazing. Kabalen, finally for today's food crawl kay ni pong the shops at the Infinity, we are featuring King, Resto Bar and KTV. So nasa serve da kayo ni?
Serve the Kenny is unlimited samgyeopsal and chicken wings.
Wow, so siguro initang late night gimmick na siguro kasi mag-serve lang mo naman kayo ni like liquor, may uling Resto Bar yapi naman. So ito, lumabta mo po, pakita mo retang serve da kayo katamo kayo ni. Baka tangatingay yung idea nung nanula retang expectation nyo po tang munta ko kayo ni.
Tara, let's taste it.
This is our final restaurant to feature kaning food crawl na ning the shop. So in King Resto Bar is mostly unlimited samgyeopsal.
Yung serve da kayo ng King Resto Bar is the samgyeopsal da. So for pork samgyeopsal with chicken wings, it's only 279 pesos. Kung bisa na ka ma'am, beef samgyeopsal with chicken wings, it's 399 pesos.
Yes.
And pang metodong serve na samgyeopsal is a pork and beef.
Wow.
Samgyeopsal with chicken wings is 379 pesos. Yung chicken wings that,
Yes.
added lang 4 flavors.
4 flavors, super. So this is their soy peanut. This is like almost a kilo. Na po ang serve din. So next one is King fried chicken. Na may niyo.
Soy cheese fried chicken.
Soy cheese fried chicken.
So lastly, ape ang sweet and spicy chicken da.
Sweet and spicy chicken. Aside from the chicken, at nila pang usual Korean side dishes. They got like 6 side dishes here. We're gonna, taste test Ikarelang samgyeopsal. We've been to a lot of samgyeopsal in the past, pero each restaurant has always a surprise. Parang mga
As a unique feature,
sa
kumbaga.
nag-feature hanapin. Ito yung po ni Kening the shops at the Infinity, and located dyan po ni Kening Angeles City, and we would like to thank them for inviting us and making this food crawl possible. Manganta na! So, abe kay Ma'am Joey. Kilala ko na kayo nandin ni Ma'am Joey. How do we get here? Nanularet ang transportation or for example, gumamit lang private vehicle na how's the direction?
As you can see, we have a very accessible area because we are located here at the heart of Angeles City.
Okay.
We're very much accessible kasi we're just beside or
Yes.
near the Angeles City Hall, and of course major thoroughfares naman po available going Pandan, Angeles, Mabalacat, and also San Fernando. For the people naman going in Manila, we are
Yes.
located near the Angeles City Toll exit, so it's very much accessible kahit saang area ka pa if you're coming from Manila. And also neighboring cities and municipalities.
So for the record, ma'am, ano yung exact address natin dito?
So we are located, or the shops by the Infinity is
Yes.
located at Purok 4, FG Nepomoceno Avenue, Barangay Pulong, Maragul, near the City Hall. You can visit us here at the shops by the Infinity and discover your favorite eats.
Wow! Thank you so much, Ma'am Joey. Thank you so much, the shops and by the Infinity. You might find your new favorite restaurant or yung restaurant Kenny guys are so
Wide range of servings, kumbaga. So, Kenny, you will find your another options of your favorite restaurant na lagi yung pupunta lang.
So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Till our next discovery.
Peace out!
Bye!